Hey everyone, Greg here from CarD.com and welcome back to the shop. And today I want to showcase a product that's sure to be of interest to all of you Jeep Wrangler JL fans, Torx Side Armor, available for both 2-door and 4-door Wranglers. Now whether you call these side armor, rock sliders, or rocker bars, with Torx you get more than just rocker panel protection. You get a convenient place to plant your foot for a helpful boost inside of the cab, and in my opinion, an appearance boost as well. So let's go ahead and check out these great looking multifunctional accessories. But first, let's talk about why you need a rocker panel protection in the first place. No matter how big of the lift kit on your Jeep or how much articulation you have in your suspension, when you're wheeling in really rough terrain, there will still be times when you don't have enough clearance between your Jeep and the surface below. And there will also be tight spots you'll have to squeeze through. So whether you're trying to clear an actual obstacle that are below or to the sides without rocker bars, you can end up with sheet metal that's crumpled or it looks like it was cut open with a can opener. And you can high center and get stuck if your unprotected rocker panels get hung up on rocks, a tree stump, or some other obstacle. Now that's why they're also called rock sliders, because when they're in place, you can slide along rocks and other obstacles and keep going while protecting your Jeep at the same time. But while some side armor bars consist of only 1 or 2 tubes and are strictly for protection and to help keep you from getting stuck, with Torx side armor you get more. Torx uses a sturdy 3-tube design that not only protects your Jeep, but also does double duty, serving as a side step to give you a helpful boost into the cab. In fact, a handy platform with slots for foot traction and drainage is welded to the 2 top tubes right outside of each door. These steps are a welcome feature when climbing aboard a tall Jeep with a lift kit and big tires, and I think the 3-tube construction with the platforms really does complement the Wrangler's purposeful look. Now, Torx side armor bars are made of thick wall steel tubing for strength and durability, and they're also powder coated with a textured black finish for a great appearance that's going to be resistant to damage and corrosion. Now, no drilling or fabrication is required for the installation, and only basic hand tools are needed. All necessary mounting hardware and detailed, easy-to-follow illustrated mounting instructions are going to be included. The Torx side armor bar mounting brackets attach to existing factory mounting holes along the pinch welds and to threaded holes on the actual floor panel. Well everyone, that's going to conclude my review today of Torx side armor bars. Now if you want an accessory that will help preserve your Jeep and also upgrade its looks and capability, head over to CarD.com right now to check them out for yourself. And as always, I'm Greg from CarD.com, and I'll see you guys next time.